Hi everyone, welcome to another video, 5th grade math, standards of learning. Today we are converting decimals to fractions. And to do this, we simply place the decimal number over its place value and simplify if needed. Example, convert 0.8 to fraction. 0.8 to fraction. So we're going to place the decimal number, which is 8, over its place value. The place value of 8 is 10th, the first digit after the point. So that is 8 over 10. We simplify, and yes, this can be broken down to a lower term. So we're going to use the highest common factor to divide both the numerator and the denominator. The highest common factor of 8 and 10 is 2, so we're going to divide by 2. 8 divided by 2, 4, and 10 divided by 2, 5. So 0.8 is equal to 4/5. 0.8 equals 4/5. Next, okay, so let's now do our skill practice. The first one is 0.7. So the decimal number is 7. And we're going to place that over its place value. The place value of 7 is 10th. So that is 7 over 10. And this cannot be simplified. So 0.7 is equal to 7 over 10. Next, 0.39. 39 over 100. 39 over 100. 39 over 100 cannot be simplified. So 0.39 is equal to 39 over 100. Next, 0.05. That is equal to 5 over 100. And 5 over 100 can be simplified. The HCF of 5 and 100 is 5. So we're going to divide by 5. Divide by 5. 5 divided by 5. 1. 100 divided by 5. 20. So 0.05 is equal to 1 over 20. Next, 0.40. This is equal to 40 over 100. The highest common factor of 40 and 100 is 20. So we're going to divide by 20. Divide by 20. 40 divided by 20 2 times. And 100 divided by 20 5 times. Therefore, 0.40 is equal to 2/5. And the last one, .703. Oh. 0.703 is equal to 703 over 1,000 1, 2 over 1,000, and that cannot be simplified. So therefore, 0.703 is equal to 703 over 1,000. So 0.7 is equal to 7 over 10. 0.39 is equal to 39 over 100. 0.05 is equal to 1 over 20. And 0.40 is equal to 2/5. And 0.703 is equal to 703 over 1,000. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.